Buyer activity is stronger in areas with more inventory than in those areas with limited inventory. And the majority of homes going under contract are in the lower priced ranges. It's Friday, March 29, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly market minute. Buyer showings are up 7.7% this week in the Baltimore market, with new contracts remaining consistent week over week. Calvert County buyer activity is up 11%, but new contracts fell 15.3%. The Western market saw a 5.2% increase in buyer activity, and new contracts rose 8.1%. The Washington Metro market saw buyer activity off by 7.2% this week. However, new purchase contracts rose 10%. 980 homes are coming soon, rising this report. 1,698 homes hit the market, falling 7.42% this week. 761 went under contract, up slightly. 1,047 moved to pending, falling this week. 1,231 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and falling again this week, landing at 9 days. The highest price home to sell was in the Annapolis area for $3,950,000 and in all cash. There are 2,077 homes for rent at $2,300 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 29th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.